Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope to help you book cheaper flights online. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for snagging those flight deals. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to finding cheaper flights? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your payment info stays safe from prying eyes. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, preventing your real location from being revealed while hunting for flight deals. Plus, they all have verified no-logs policies, meaning they don't track your flight search histories. But where they differ, that's what really matters when you're trying to score cheaper tickets. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for booking cheaper flights thanks to its speed and features. It uses a massive network of RAM-only servers, meaning your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a huge privacy bonus while you shop around. Another standout is its threat protection feature, blocking ads and malicious sites full of phishing scams or bogus discount offers, even when the VPN is off. Plus, it offers MeshNet, letting you securely connect with friends or family to share flight finds privately. The only downside? A limit of 10 devices at once. That device limit isn't a big deal with private internet access and IPVanish. They offer unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can use them on your laptop, phone, and tablet all at once while comparing fares. PIA's biggest strength is radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any savvy traveler can inspect their code for backdoors. And here's the kicker. Their no-logs claim has been tested in court and upheld. That's not just talk, it's proven trustworthiness. Then there's IPVanish, the independent operator. Its special twist? It owns and controls its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. Full control means a more stable, reliable connection while you hunt for those tricky flight deals. For travelers who need fast connections, it provides a SOCKS 5 proxy for potentially faster browsing speeds by routing traffic efficiently. Just keep in mind, it reduces encryption layers a bit for that speed boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is the fastest for booking cheaper flights? NordVPN takes the lead with its custom NordLynx protocol, delivering quick page loads and smoother browsing. IPVanish is a close second, offering consistent speed with its WireGuard protocol. PIA can be quicker, but is a bit less predictable, with speeds varying depending on the server location you pick. So, which VPN should you choose? Here's a quick guide. Pick NordVPN if speed is your top priority and you want the best all-around features for snagging deals quickly without getting blocked. Choose IPVanish if you have tons of devices or a whole travel crew looking for discounts. Its unlimited connections and self-run servers offer fantastic value. And finally, go with PIA if you want maximum privacy on a budget with open source software and a proven no-logs record that's been legally tested. And that's it. We're out of time, so if this helped you save on flights, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using to score cheaper tickets. See you soon.